Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bosal Tech, and here again I am going to show you that a new free USDT mining website where you can mine Tether with Coin Plus. You can see here you will get 100 gigahash rate power as a sign up bonus and instant payment via a faucet pay. 5-star rating on Trust Plus. This website is very useful for all of us. Why choose us? No sign up needed. Just enter your USDT wallet address which is linked to your faucet pay account to start your mining, and automatically start mining without deposit and free 100 gigahash rate power you will get as a sign up bonus and instant payment from this magnificent mining platform. Scroll down, you can check out over here what is minimum amount to invest here. Yes, you have to deposit here 1.17 USDT minimum to get 150 gigahash rate power from here, and you can take withdraw from here minimum amount of 1 Satoshi of USDT. You can take withdraw from this website, and all thing is in instant mode. Now the question is that how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. You have to click on start mining option now, and here you need to enter your Tether USDT wallet address which is linked to your faucet pay account. Then fill up the captcha, that is I am human, to able to continue your mining in this website. Now after completing our process, you can start your mining. You can see your money will start here automatically. You can see that how much amount I have. Click on withdrawal option now. Enter your required amount over here. Click on confirm request now. You can see that this website paid us immediately. You can see how much time I got to withdraw from this magnificent mining platform. You can also increase your mining speed with deposit and without deposit. Both options we have available in this website. How can you make deposit? Click on deposit option now, and you can see here you need to enter your 150 gigahash rate power. You can purchase minimum amount from here, and maximum as much as you want you can purchase from here. Just need to click on buy option now, and you can see that this website bring you into your faucet pay account like this one. And here you need to select your USDT currency like this one and click on proceed to payment. You can deposit in this website through this way very easily and freely and authentically. Now come to the website, and here I am going to show you that another way to increase your mining, to enhance your earning per day from this website. You can also reinvest your money in this website to enhance your mining speed in this website. Click on reinvest option over here. You can see that minimum Satoshi you have to reinvest here 7,800 USDT Satoshi. Whenever you have in your account, you can reinvest here, and you can see that I have only 4,700. That's why I can't make reinvest here. Here we also have calculator. If you want to get 1000 gigahash rate power, then you can see that you have to deposit here only 7.8 USDT. Now if you can't make deposit, then we have another option, that is my referral system. That is very useful, and here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If a person joins this website and deposit here, you will earn a 15% commission on each deposit of your referral. Hopefully you like it, you will love it. Now if you want to get this type of more videos, you just need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notified yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.